What useless thing do you excel at? I can recall and recognize to this day people that I was in preschool with or have seen very briefly. When I was dating my ex, I would see someone that I recognized and would walk up to them and do the whole "aren't you so and so from blank?" It gave the me partner extreme anxiety because strangers, and what if I was wrong, but I am always right. Every time. Touching my tongue to my nose. However, this has gotten me a free drink at a bar. I can click my tongue really loudly. My nephew can do this. It's ear-splittingly loud. One time he did it and it echoed so loudly it sounded like a bullet being fired. Being able to perfectly recreate facial expressions of other people from memory that they do. That no one else really recognizes until I do an impersonation of them. It's a great party trick that gets lots of laughs, especially if a few people know that person.